How to handle a personal injury claim for radiation exposure. Hello and welcome. Today we are going to talk about how to handle a personal injury claim for radiation exposure. Radiation exposure can cause serious health problem, and if you have been exposed due to someone else's negligence, you may be entitled to compensation, whether it happened at work, near a power plant, or through medical treatment. Knowing your rights and the legal process is important. Let's go through the step in a simple and easy way. The first step is to identify the source of radiation exposure. Radiation can come from many places, including industrial cities, medical equipment, nuclear plants, or even consumer products. If you believe you have been exposed, document where and how it happens. If the exposures happen at work, report it to your employer immediately. If it was caused by a product or medical procedure, keep all related documents, including receipt and medical records. Once you identify the source, seek medical attention right away. Radiation exposure can lead to serious health issues, including burns, cancer, and organ damage. A doctor will perform tests to determine the level of exposure and any health risk. Keep all medical records, test result, and treatment plans as they will be important for your case. And next step is gathering the all evidence. If possible, take picture of the location where the exposure happened, the equipment or product involved, and any warning sign or lack of safety measures. If there were witnesses, get their contact information. Their statement may help support your claim. If you work in a radiation exposed environment, check if your employer follows safety regulation. If safety rules were ignored, that could strengthen your case. After gathering evidence, consult a personal injury lawyer. Radiation exposure cases are complex and often involve large companies or government agencies. A lawyer will help you understand your right and determine who is responsible. Some common liable parties include employer, manufacturer of defective equipment, and medical providers. Choose a lawyer with experience in toxic exposure or environmental injuries cases. Most personal injury lawyers work on a contingency fee basis, so you can only pay if you win the case. Once you have a lawyer, they will help you file a claim. This process usually starts with a legal notice sent to the responsible parties explaining how the exposure happened, the health effect you suffered, and the compensation you are seeking. Your lawyer may Also negotiate with the company or insurance provider for a settlement. If a fair argument or agreement cannot be reached, your case may be go to court. It is important to act quickly because personal injury claims have a time limit. This is known as the statute of limitation. The deadline to file a claim varies by a state, but usually range from 1 to 4 years. If you wait too long, you may lose your right to compensation. This is why it is important to start the legal process as soon as possible. Now, let's talk about the type of compensation you may receive. If your claim is successful, you may be entitled to medical expenses, lost wage, pain and suffering, and further medical cost if your condition worsens. In some cases, court may also award punitive damage if the responsible party was extremely negligent. The amount of compensation depends on the severity of your injury and the strength of your case. Many radiation exposure claims involve workers who were not properly protected. If you were exposed at work, you may be eligible for worker compensation. However, if your employer knowingly ignored safety standards, you may also have the right to file a lawsuit for additional damage. Government employees and military personnel exposed to radiation may qualify for a special compensation program. Your lawyer can help determine the best legal path for your situation. Radiation exposure case can be challenging because symptoms often take years to develop. If you were exposed a year ago but are now experiencing health problem, you may still be able to file a claim. Some states allow victim to file lawsuit even after many years, especially if they were unaware of the exposure at the time. This is known as the discovery rule and it may apply in your case. If you are not sure whether you have a case, consult a lawyer for a free fee evaluation. Many personal injury attorneys offer free consultation where they review your case and explain your option. You don't have to go through this process alone. A legal expert can help you fight for your rights and get the compensation you deserve. To summarize it, if you were exposed to radiation and suffered health problem, identify the source, seek medical attention, gather evidence, consult a lawyer, and file a claim as soon as possible. Taking legal action may seem complicated, but with the right step and professional guidance, you can protect your right. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more legal tips and advice. Stay safe and see you in the next videos.